ඉතින් මං හයාට ගිල කිව්ව මේ ඇල්ල මේ කින්නවා මෙහෙම මොකද තන්නේ මේ හොඳයි කියල මඟ මට හිත රල්ල යනවා කියලා කියලා මට ම ටග මට ෆොටයක් මට ෆොටයක් වනක ම යව්ග ෆොටෝ එක ඊට පස්සේ ශානීමයින ශාසෝ කියලදි මට එව්වා ශිස් වැඩි පෙටි අරමය කියලා ඊට පස්සිතින් ද ඔක කොහොම ගියා මට එක මුකුත් ඉතින් එක හම අමත කලාගේ ටස මගේ වෙඩිංග ගියා මගේ ස්පී රෝස්ට එක දෙද ස්පීච් එක දෙද එයා මෙන්න මෙහෙම දෙයක් කිව්වා
we have this habit of getting together and have sing-alongs and he will definitely bring his guitar and we end up having a really good time. So one such evening, he was very serious and he told me about wanting to have a girlfriend, wanting to settle down in life. So I had to ask him, what sort of a girlfriend do you want? What sort of qualities are you looking at? And I was expecting him to say a good-looking, kind-hearted, understanding, and you know the usual qualities that a guy would want to see in a girl. But no. Do you know what he said? Ruth, do you know? No. All he told me was that he wants his girlfriend to have the ability to play a guitar. Yeah, so for a moment I was thinking whether he's joking around, but no, he was very serious. He said, no, Shadow, this is one of my dreams. My biggest dream is to see my girlfriend playing the guitar whenever we get together, whenever we have a sing-along, because I don't want her to be isolated. So, however, few weeks later, few months later, I again got a call and he told me about this particular girl. So on and off, he used to tell me about this one and that one, but he was never impressed. So I was getting annoyed also, but still. So one such day, he called me and told me about this pretty girl that he met at a church event. And he was so impressed about her. He was telling how kind-hearted, how good-looking, and so many good things about her. So I finally told him to send me a picture, and the first thing I noticed was not whether she's beautiful or not, but she was holding a guitar.
ඊට පස්සේ තමයි මට මතක් වුණා අනේ ඒ කියන්නේ මගේ ඔළුවේ අන්කොන්ෂස්ලි රන් වෙලා තියෙනවා මේ ගිටාර් එකයි ගෑනු ළමයයි ඔන්න ඕක මං හිතන්නේ නේද ඒකට තමයි රැවටිලා තියෙන්නේ